Hello, Maggie. What's up, girl? How you guys doing? Today, we're getting another molt right now. Drusilla, my largest, or fattest, Theraphosa blondie. So, now I'm going to have to prepare the humidifier so I can actually get her to molt correctly. So let me go prepare that, and then we'll document her molt and see how big she grew. Yeah, so here she is on her back. Checking for spermathecae. I do believe I see some. Check out those monstrous fangs. Anywho, so I have the heat cranked up. Now I have the humidifier. It's really important for Theraphosa blondies to get at least 85 to 90% humidity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her some water in her dish. Then I'm going to cover up the ventilation. So I'm figuring she'll probably be finished around about 8 or 10 hours. So I'm going to try to document this as much as I can. So I'm taking a little piece of plastic and just literally doing a little opening here, so she'll get some ventilation this side. Kind of nervous about this one. This is the one that I got from the Montreal Expo when I went on October. The problem is that the previous owners have fed them strictly mice, so I'm kind of afraid that whether or not she'll molt correctly or not. But as you can see, she's got a lot of room for her to molt. She's not in her cave, which is a good sign, so that should be good. So right now it's about 4:15 p.m. So we'll check about in an hour to see how well she's doing. So now we're into 4 hours into her molting cycle, and she still is on her back doing nothing. So I have the humidity cranked up on medium. So we're going to get some nice humidity in here. Now it's about 7 hours since she's on her back. So right now it's around 11:18 p.m. Still haven't seen any signs of movement yet, but that's okay. Gretel was like that when she was on her back. Now it's about 1:53 a.m. and she still hasn't moved. I'm kind of getting a little bit frightened now. Okay, 3:33 a.m. and now she's starting to pulse. Well, it's 6 a.m. the next day, and she's fully done. I apologize for not getting all the molt cycle, but she's very beautiful. Anyways, I'm going to go back to bed, and we'll pick it up around 7, 8 o'clock. Or maybe she's going to turn over. Oh yeah, she's turning over. Oh, and it looks like she repaired her pedipalp. Remember when she was about to molt? It was missing. Well, these are regenerative, so they went back. Well, it's 9 a.m. and the molting process has complete. So So it took about maybe about 15 hours. So I'm gonna wait a little while and pluck out the molt, and we'll go ahead and try to attempt to sex it. I believe it's a female. All I can say is, holy crap. That is one big T Blondie. Alright, so let's pick out the molt. Oops. Here's the molt. Wow, she's beautiful. This is for Catfish 640. T Blondies do get a little chocolate brown color after they molt. Just look at that molt. Wow. Beautiful. Alright, that's my video of my Theraphosa Blondie Goliath bird eater. You can see my hand, how big it is and how large she is. That is one big T Blondie. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Peace.